Welcome to my channel. This is Karim Master Muhammad Mudassir Alam. I am receiving your regular comment, regular feedback regarding CUET 23. CUET PG 2023 registration process for Central University of South Bihar has started from 25th of July 23. Many of you have requested that I should guide you step by step for registration process. In the video further, I am going to share the essential steps required for registration of Central University of South Bihar for PG programs. First of all, you can see the notice. This notice was issued on 25th of July. These are the programs in which you can apply if you have appeared for in the required examination through CUET PG. Further, you have to click this link. After clicking this link, you have to register yourself. You can also visit the website of Central University of South Bihar. Under the admission page, you can see the link here. Once you will click this link, this page will open. You have to click the new registration tab. Once you will click the new registration tab, here you have to fill your application number, roll number as per CUET card. Then you have to enter your name, your date of birth, and after that you have to enter your email address, password, mobile number, and after that you have to enter this captcha. And after entering all the details, you have to register from here. Once you will click the register, you can register yourself. After that, you have to click the login. From login, you have to again register. Once you will register, further you have to fill your profile, your details, your name, your father's name, mother's name, and other details, your educational qualification. After that, your photograph, signature, and some of the documents as per the annexure. But you do not need to upload all the documents. Whatever documents fields are given there, you can upload the documents, and after submission of the documents, you will be directed towards the payment link. You have to pay the fee as per this list, as per this notice. For general OBC WS, you have to pay 500 for each course, rupees 200 for SC ST PWD for each program. If you are applying for more than one program, you have to again pay the same fee for each program. I think after watching this video, all your doubts regarding the registration process is over. Even if you are facing any difficulty, you can ask your question in the comment box below. Thanks a lot. Best wishes for CUET PG 23. Best wishes for admission in Central University of South Bihar.